Hi, today we're going to discuss how to create a standard payable in Legendary with accounting seed integration. And the first step is just to make sure you're in the accounting seed cash out object or app. You can do that through the app launcher here. Just type in cash, select cash out, and then this is going to take you to kind of your main cash out page. You can customize whatever's at the top of this. Most folks go to payables here, and since this isn't tied to a purchase order or anything else, we would just start here with the vendor that we're going to pay, and let's say we're going to pay vendor extraordinaire. Put in the vendor reference number from whatever their invoice is. You would not fill out contact or employee. It's one of these three, but not two. So if you were paying, a 1099 type vendor or an employee, you would select them instead of this vendor. And that's basically it. We do want to put in the vendor's due date on the payable. Make sure that that's accounted for. This is more of a header level here, and then we would want to create our next new rows. So what we're doing here is inputting the payable line. I'm just going to put a quantity of 1. The unit cost here, we'll say it was $600, maybe for some just straight shipping that they did for a trade show or something like that. So we would put that to shipping expense and look over if we don't need any other variables or anything else here. We would just save this, and then that would create our primary document here. Now sometimes folks might want to also add some shipping tax. We could do that as well if they were charging us tax and we're not tax exempt. You would still, the way most folks do it is still to put it in the quantity and the unit price. The reason for this is just to have maximum control over which GL they hit with it. So they may want to call this, sales tax, just standard sales tax, or have a purchase tax account. Then you could add that as well. It's that simple. And then we can go up here to post this, and when we post this, this is actually going to put the total amount in accounts payable and hit our P&L and income statement with these other expenses in their appropriate GL accounts. And then we would hit the post button, and that would be it until we're ready to pay it. So right now this is just kind of your standard invoice process. We've put this in here, and you could also clone this if this is like something you end up doing every month, or create even a recurring payable, which we will discuss in other videos. Really appreciate the time, and thanks for watching.